So good evening, student. So this is for class 10, and today we will discuss that a long walk to freedom, that what we started last day, but due to network problem we are unable to conduct. Now I am writing that main topic which I will clear it now. So good. Is that audible and visible? Yeah. A long walk. Is that visible? A long walk to freedom. A long walk to freedom by Nelson Mandela. By Nelson Mandela. This is what I told last day in the introduction, although it was not visible to you and audible as well, but I tried. Now listen carefully, open your book as well, because few points and sound you need to follow through the text. The first things is that it is after a long struggle, near about 27 years he was imprisoned. 27 27 साल वो जेल में रहा किए, because he belongs from black race, and the main problem about African continent, I told South Africa mainly, this is apartheid. Apartheid, a term that I told, is about racial discrimination, social discrimination. What black people are not considered to be as equal citizen of the country. उन लोग को equal citizen माना नहीं जाते थे. और उन लोग, even South Africa, this is the only country in the world who had two national songs, for one for black people, one for white people. इस लेवल का डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हुआ करते थे. एक कंट्री में दो नेशनल सॉन्ग आप सोच नहीं सकते. इंडिया में अगर सोचे इस टाइप का कि पटेल लोग का अलग, अग्रवाल लोग का अलग, तो यहाँ पर तो दंगा फसाद हो जाएगा. तो इस लेवल का डिस्क्रिमिनेशन उन लोग को करते आया ब्लैक पीपल. तो नेल्सन मंडेला, वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट लीडर ऑफ 20th सेंचुरी, वर्ल्ड लीडर ऑफ 20th सेंचुरी, लाइक महात्मा गांधी, अब्राहम लिंकन, इस लेवल में माना जाता है इसको. तो इन लोग वर्ल्ड लीडर ये सेंस में, बिकॉज ऑल पॉलिटिकल what affiliation you may call, aspiration you may call, directly or indirectly follow the viewpoint of these leaders. They inspire across the globe. ये नेल्सन मंडेला का पॉलिटिकल जो व्यू है, महात्मा गांधी का जो सत्यमेव जयते या वॉट एवर में भी, तो ये सब वर्ल्ड को इंस्पायर करते हैं. एंड दैट्स व्हाई दे आर present day considered to be the topmost inspiration leader of the world. So that is what his struggle against apartheid का against में जो struggle है, वही struggle after 27 year वो first black president बने थे. And the chapter A Long Walk to Freedom is an autobiography. I told autobiography में Nelson Mandela, he himself wrote about his own biography, and this is what the speech on the swearing ceremonies, जहाँ पर वो शपथ ग्रहण करते हैं. तो on that occasion 140 that is what mentioned in the text, 140 कंट्री का लोग आए थे वहाँ पर. एक प्रेसिडेंट, इंडिया का प्रेसिडेंट सपोज या प्राइम मिनिस्टर जब लेते, इतना कंट्री का स्वेयरिंग इन सेरेमनी में नहीं प्रेजेंट रहता. बट वो फास्ट एक हिस्ट्री, दैट वाज द हिस्ट्रिकल डे, ए विक्ट्री फॉर ब्लैक पीपल. ऑल्दो वर्ल्ड कंसिडर इट इज ए विक्ट्री ऑफ ब्लैक पीपल, बट दिस इज व्हाट ए न्यू beginning of South Africa as well as the world, a new message to the world, where we all live together in an inclusive democracy in a sense where all people have equal rights to live, equal right to get justice, equal right to get education, equal right to get job, everything उसको equal माना जाता है. तो इस फाइट में नेल्सन मंडेला ये वर्ल्ड को एक न्यू लाइट दिखाया था. जब नेक्स्ट टाइम वन नेशनल सॉन्ग, वन नेशन, नरेंद्र मोदी फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मेनी थिंग्स ही इनिशिएटेड, that one nation, one citizen, one ration card, one pension, everything one. That is what his motto presently. Even a new act he is going to implement, maybe that what was civil, one common civil code for all citizens of our country. That is what his initiative. He will also be remembered once he will there. So Nelson Mandela did that things. And what happened? In the chapter A Long Walk to Freedom, that is what his speech, where he mentioned his viewpoints, and that is what the main summary of the topics. His viewpoints, I am writing the main points and I will discuss it here. Main points, first his viewpoints are his concept about freedom. Freedom का concept वो दिए थे chapter में. What is Nelson Mandela's concept of freedom? First important topic. Second, his concept of love. Second is concept of love. That is what also given in the chapter. One more, appetite. I told that appetite. Appetite. He discussed this topic in details. Appetite. So first, his concept of freedom. He, in his own speech, he defined it. Freedom means that is what not a power to do whatever you like. There is some restriction. There is somewhat responsibility as well. His freedom concept, that he considered freedom when I can run and come to my mom's door without any obstruction. I can run on the sand of a river. I can freely dine or roast my food as it is a tribal, maybe, or ancient or indigenous concept to roast the food at the dawn, or but at the beginning of night, evening, under the open sky. So he also considered freedom means that I will roast my food under the open sky, and we will food together, we eat together, and that is he considered to be the freedom. Open movement. I can move to my mother's door or threshold without any. मेरे घर कोई रुकावट में मैं नहीं मिलेंगे. मैं मेरे घर जाएंगे आसानी से. नदी का धूल में अकेला दौड़ेंगे आज़ादी से, कोई रुकावट नहीं आएगा. खुला आसमान के नीचे रोस्ट करके खाना खाएंगे, कोई ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट नहीं करेंगे, कोई अपोज नहीं करेंगे. एंड दैट इज ही कंसीडर्ड टू बी फ्रीडम. This is what Nelson Mandela considered. And listen, one most important thing. For this session, only objective type question will be there, and 2 or 3 marks also. In that case, if this question you find in the but you face this question in the exam, so your answer must be text oriented. Listen carefully. Text oriented. That means freedom, what he himself considered to be the freedom, that sentence given in the text, what the sentence exact mean, you must mention that. That is what I told recently. It's just that I can move to the threshold of my mother without any opposed, or I can run on the sand of the river, or I can roast my food with above this constellation or star. above में स्टार रहेंगे रोस्ट कर. ये सब सेंटेंस वो अपना मुंह से, दैट इज व्हाट अपने स्पीच में इंक्लूड किया. दैट इज व्हाट इज कंसीडर ऑफ फ्रीडम. ये यहाँ पर क्लियर किया. आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर टू यू. उसके बाद भी कन्फ्यूजन होंगे, पर्सनल नंबर में पूछेंगे. नेक्स्ट है लव. लव इज द नेचुरल इनबॉर्न ऑफ हैट्रेड. हैट और लव को कॉन्ट्रास्टेड इमेज में, नेचुरल थिंग्स व्हाट वी बट दैट वी फील इज हैट. अगर आपके अंदर हैट नहीं रहेगी तो लव भी कभी क्रिएट नहीं हो सकता. So we, in order to create love, we must have hatred. In order to have, but what as a human beings we should constrain it. You should dominate it, and then grows the love. That is what is concept. Love is not in what natural female. That is what automatically it will come. First, what naturally we have the feelings of hatred, and this hatred will lead towards love. And that is what, this is where again his was as a great human being effort to control the hatred and create love within the hatred. To control the hatred and create love within the hatred. That is his concept of love that is given here in the text. After being the president of South Africa, he can again reimpose the same rule against the white people. but he did not do that. His intention is to give equal right to all the people. He is in the power at that time. Whatever he want, he can did that. Whatever he wanted, he can did that. But he did not do anything against any races. He only want to uplift the equality. He only want to uplift the equality को वो ऊपर में लाना चाहते थे. And that is what his concept of freedom and love. That is what given here in the chapter. Again, at the beginning, he thanks all the dignitaries. From 114 essence they are presented. But thanks them, and he apartheid. That is what the most mean system, degrading system, negligible system, most hatred system of that country. Near about 300 years, that is what they have to bear that type of inhuman torture. A nation that was what after colonialization, that is when European traders entered the country, when there was a conflict between black people and white people, and as being the supremacy and the supreme power, white people dominated. Not only dominated, they tortured them, pounded them, they were forced to be slave like attitude. They never considered themselves to be human beings, never considered them as the citizen of the country. And that is what they themselves became slave in their own country. ये ब्लैक पीपल अपना ही देश में स्लेव बन गया था, अपने ही देश में स्लेव बन गया था. और ये दैट हैपेंड नियर अबाउट 300 ईयर्स. 300 ईयर्स में ये सिचुएशन क्रिएट हुआ था. तो दैट इज व्हाट हिज phenomenon and summary as well. Nelson Mandela as a great leader, what are the characteristics you found here? As his concept of love, his concept of freedom, his abolition of apartheid, that is he abolished here. For example, Abraham Lincoln, what did he do? He also abolished the slave system of America, slave system. Slave is, you know that slave something that is really considered human beings as a cattle or domestic animal. One type of servant. Servant की क्या होता है, उसको work करेंगे and he or she takes the wages और चले जाते हैं, पैसा लेते काम करते चले जाते हैं. But एक slave काम करेंगे, work they do the work, but they never be paid. कभी उन लोग को पे नहीं किया जाता है. उन लोग एज ए डोमेस्टिक एनिमल लाइक दैट दे वर ट्रीटेड. वहीं पर उसी मास्टर के घर में रहेंगे. एंड फाइनली व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन दे आर अनेबल टू डू एनी वर्क, दे आर यूजलेस, देन व्हाट दे डिड, दे सोल्ड देम like cattle. And this is what a really inhuman, where humanity is totally denied, neglected. And this type of barbarous system that is existed in America, and Abraham Lincoln did that. He totally abolished them, that systems, and give the equal right, and that's why he was a great leader. And in consideration of Abraham Lincoln and Nelson Mandela, if we contrast or compare with Mahatma Gandhi, he, I think, maybe did something really miracle. The concept of what satyagraha and what concept of truth, non-violence. He that is what make him famous, world leader. Non-violence, that is the concept, means a revolution or a change that can be occurred without any bloodshed, without any hatred, without any type of criminalization, only through non-violence process. That is only through appeal to the humanity. वो जो कॉन्सेप्ट है ना, एक थप्पड़ दिया तो दूसरी गाल दे दी, दैट्स मीन एक थप्पड़ दे दिया दूसरी गाल, उसके बाद एक टाइम उसके अंदर ह्यूमैनिटी एराइज होंगे, एंड उसी चलते वो दूसरा गाल में और नहीं मारेंगे. ये महात्मा गांधी का नॉन वायलेंस, ये कॉन्सेप्ट वर्ल्ड फेमस बनाया था उसको, कि हैट्रेट के बदले में हैट्रेट नहीं, थप्पड़ के बदले में थप्पड़ नहीं होता. तो उसमें हम लोग वही एनिमल इंस्टिंक्ट को बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं. we promote that animal instinct. But Mahatma Gandhi क्या बोले, humanity, that what we need to arise, but that what we need to follow. So this is why he becomes one of the world. So these are the three world leaders. If you have to analyze the character of Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, our writer, so you have to compare with that Mahatma Gandhi and Nelson Mandela and Abraham Lincoln. These are the three world leaders of 20th century. They are the most famous and great human leaders as considered to be. And even Europe, America, or any other nation, unable to produce that type of great human beings. Many powerful leaders were there in 20th century. Hitler, many others, but Hitler, Karl Marx. But this type of great humanitarian, this type of great human beings, world produce century लग जाता है produce करने के लिए, and that's why they are considered with a world leader. So as a great leader, present but Nelson Mandela as a great leader, so then you have to point out that great humanity. Why? What he did, first established an equal nation. Although he had power, although he was the president, yet he but love and respect the equal freedom for white and black people. He can take revenge who had downtrodden them for nearly 300 years. 300 साल से जिन लोगों को इंसान ही नहीं सोचते थे, उन लोग को भी इक्वल राइट्स दिया, जब इसके हाथ में भी पावर आया. And that is what the great leader, that is what his great leadership that you find here. So and listen, I just discussed the main topics of the chapter, and this is what not the preparation of your exam. अगर एग्जाम में दिस सेशन एग्जाम में प्रिपेयर करना है तो लाइन वाइज आपको टेक्स्ट को रीड करना है, और उसमें जहाँ समझ में नहीं आएंगे डाउट्स क्लियर करेंगे. वीडियो में इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं कर सकते. ऑनलाइन आप पूछ सकते हैं, तो डाउट्स क्लियर कभी कभी उसी में कोशिश करेंगे, दैट इज अनदर मैटर. लेकिन ये टॉपिक्स वाइज और एक दो टॉपिक्स है नेक्स्ट वीडियो में दे देंगे जो टॉपिक्स मिसिंग हो गया, बट आप लाइन वाइज फॉलो करेंगे चैप्टर को, क्योंकि ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन आएंगे और ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप में से एक एक पॉइंट मेरा ये समरी और डिस्कशन में मेन टॉपिक को जस्ट क्लियर किया. अब बट नेल्सन मैंडेला का कैरेक्टर, उसका कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ फ्रीडम एपेथाइट किया था, इसमें एक पूरा प्रिपरेशन नहीं हुआ एग्जाम. दैट्स वाई रिपीटेडली बता रहा हूँ. और 10th बोर्ड एग्जाम होंगे कन्फर्म. लास्ट ईयर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं था, ये ईयर पूरा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बने. वट एवर मे बी यू हैव टू बट अपियर फॉर द 100 marks exam, so you must read thoroughly, and any doubts you can ask. Thank you. That's all for now.